In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a time freeze effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Drag the video onto the timeline that you would like to create the time freeze effect and play the video or clip. And let's say we want to create a time freeze right here. So I pause the video and I'm going to add a cut. And then with the clip selected, we're going to duplicate the video layer by clicking on it and holding down Alt so it duplicates. Let's say we want to time freeze this part of the video. So in this case, we'll add a cut, and then the video that we basically just duplicated by holding down Alt and dragging up, you want to right click and then click Add Frame Hold, which is below Frame Hold Options and above Insert Frame Hold Segment. And this is what this is going to look like. And if you are satisfied with that, you can click C or add a cut and delete the duplicated video layer, and we have the original video layer. So this is the before, and this is the after.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.